Hi guys, this is your DIY mechanic. I'm here today with another car problem. Here we have an Honda CRV 2000, and let me give you a brief history on this car. The owner of this car noticed that the terminal heads of the batteries were always going hot, so he called the technician to change the head, and the technician did. And after changing it, the car will not come on. Very funny. And when they checked, they said the brain box was rusted, and they changed the brain box. But when they changed the brain box, it was still the same problem. The car didn't start. So they called somebody else, and that one concluded it was the camshaft and sensors, and they changed the two, and the car came on. But another issue came up. When the car is hot, the engine will just go off. And that has happened to me here right now. I was just scanning this car. You can see I'm scanning it, and the car just went off when the engine became hot. So, but before it went off, I've already scanned it already, and the first thing there is it says ECM failure. It's complaining about the O2 sensors. It's also, but that is not the reason why it should go off. Okay. It's also complaining the crankshaft sensor that could make it go off. Then it's also complaining about the TP sensors. It's also complaining about the camshaft sensors that could also make it go off. So also complain about so many other things. But what I want to check right now is what is making it go off when it's hot. So right now we have it's complaining of the crankshaft and the camshaft. Those are my major suspects, apart from all other issues that this car might have. So that is the problem we have now. So when I've resolved it, I'll be back to tell you what I did. Take care. So guys, back on the CRV Honda. Been working on it for a while now. So if you remember very well, when I did the scan, it complained of the crankshaft, the camshafts, and all that. So all I did was just to bring those camshafts out, and I cleaned them, and I put them back into the car. The car's been, when I started it, the car's been on now for like 30 minutes. The engine has not gone off. Earlier, before I removed it, when I started the car, it could run for like 30 minutes then to go off. But now it's more than 30 minutes and it's still running. See, still running. The RPM is still up, still running, and I scanned it, and it's only complaining of the map sensor now. So let me just show you guys where the camshafts are. I just cleaned it. I didn't even replace them. Just did nice. It is kind of oily. So this is where you have the engine bay. So this is where you have the camshafts. So we are here. Just sockets right there. So here, that's it. These are the camshafts. There are actually two. That's one. Then you have another one at this side, in here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but there's one in here, and there's one here. All I did was just bring it out, clean it. The engine is still running. Look at it. Running. And yet the sound. So I hope this helps someone out there. If it does, please subscribe, press like so I can do more videos. Thank you.